Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to schedule posts on TikTok. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up TikTok.com on your computer. Over here, log into your account. After that, press upload a video from the page. Then, type the title of your video under the captions section. Over here, you can also add mentions and hashtags like you usually do on the TikTok app. After that, click to upload the video. You can choose your cover just like you would on the TikTok app. Over here, select public, friends or private and then choose the schedule video option. After that, turn on the option to allow your video to be saved for scheduled posting. Then select the date and time you want the video to be posted. Over here, you will see the button change to schedule instead of post. So that's basically how you can schedule posts on TikTok. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.